probe update. This is a breakthrough with regards to the murder investigation. One conspirator, alleged conspirator, who reportedly led the mob to Hargobindo Das and Chandan Das's house, he's been arrested. This person was on the run after the riots broke out. This person has now been arrested. With this is the fourth arrest with regards to the investigation into Hargobindo Das and Chandan Das's murder. The alleged conspirator's name is Zia. The arrest has taken place going back to Tetri as she tries getting us more ground reports, as she tries talking to the families of the victims. Tetri, a breakthrough in the investigation. The police team is on the ground. You were getting us constant live updates on what's happening. With this arrest, is there any lead as to this murder investigation? Has the police found out why did this mob barge into the Das family's house? Why did they specifically target Hargobindo Das and Chandan Das?
Well, you see, I am just reporting outside the place where that is the wife of Hargobindo Das and the mother of Chandan Das, and we'll in fact try to just show the visuals, and if they are comfortable to speak to us, then we'll also try to speak to them. She speaks in Bengali, but we will try to make our viewers understand so as to what they have to say. That's the son of Chandan Das, who is there, who is just seems like 7 to 8 year old son, and she is her mother. Amma, आप चंदन दास की अम्मा छे? अच्छा, अम्मा आप उस दिन कहाँ थे जब ये हुआ? क्या आप किस तरफ थे?
बारी थे,
यहीं पे ही थे आप? अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आप अभी क्या मांग करते हैं? क्या
हिंदी जानी ना?
Okay, Tetri, she's telling you that she does not understand Hindi.
वही बारी थे छिना है तो वही बारी थे।
आप पूछिए इनसे क्या कहना चाहे, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे, इनका क्या संदेश है, क्या डिमांड है, किस तरह से इंसाफ न्याय की मांग करती हैं? आप बोलिए बंगाली में।
কি বলবো?
কোথায় ছিলেন যখন এ করেছিল? ওই বাড়িতেই ছিলেন?
না, ওই বাড়িটাই যে হয়েছে ওই বাড়িতে ভাঙাচোরা নেই, আমরা সব বাড়িতেই ছিল। আমার বৌমা ছিল, আমি ছিল, আরো দুটাই পাশের বাড়ি ছিল। আমা বেটিতে এদিক থেকে ইট পাথর ছুটছে। ও গণা নেই, মেলাই লোক, অনেক লোক।
मुझे सारा सामान लूट लिया।
কি করলো, ভাঙচুর করছে আগে।
ওনারা কোথায় ছিল?
ওরা ভিতরে ছিল, ওরা তো একবারে অ্যাটাক করেনি, দুবার দুবার চলে গেল, তিনবারের বেলায় খুললে।
ये कह रहे हैं एक बार गए दोबारा आ गए।
প্রশাসন তো কই দিলে না কো?
পুলিশ তখন ছিল
না, 5 ঘন্টা পরে 4 ঘন্টা পরে থাকলো, তারপরে
ये पानी मांग रहे थे, जल मांगे बार बार।
হ্যাঁ।
Okay, so Tetri, this is the
জল আমার
mother.
ছেলেটা চাইছিল, আর আমার স্বামী একবার শেষ যেভাবে বের করে পড়ে আছে। আমার ছেলেটা চাইছিল জল, ও একটু যে ছিল।
इनको कहिए कि पूरा देश आपके साथ है और न्याय की मांग कर रहा है, ऐसा इन्हें कहिए।
সবাই আপনার সঙ্গে আছে,
হ্যাঁ
আপনি চাইলে এ করতে পারেন যে আমার জন্য
হ্যাঁ, বিচার চাইছি, আর আমাদের জানে একটা বিএসএফ ক্যাম্প চাই।
BSF camp की मांग कर रहे हैं। So you see, his mother is also demanding for
Yes.
the BSF camp is all what I can understand, and she also said
And Tetri,
that
yes,
he was thirsty.
the mother
was
is
wanting
telling
to
you,
ask for
the mother is telling you what happened that day. As you speak to her, we would just like to do a short recap and translate as to what the mother of Chandan Das told Tetri. She said there were hundreds of men who barged into their house that day. They were all there at home, so they witnessed the horror unfold right in front of their eyes. She also says that they kept waiting for the police to step in, but for 5 hours nobody came in. She also says that her husband, Hargobindo Das, he died on the spot. He could not bear the torture that was meted out to him. Her son, he was asking for water. They witnessed all of it, and this family is also saying that only a BSF camp can protect them. Now they have lost faith in the system. You spoke to the mother. Are there more members present? This is a family that today is having to deal with unimaginable pain and trauma. They've lost their loved ones in front of their eyes. They saw a mob brutalize and kill their loved ones. Has the police recorded their statements so far, Tetri, or will that happen in moments from now?
Well, yes, the investigation is underway. People have been arrested. FIRs have been filed, and since now again, I'll show you visuals. In fact, of wife of is also sitting inside, but when I saw her, it seems like her face is just blank, and she's just asking a question from her inner self, so as to why this happened to her, what was her fault, and what next with them, what is next in the future for their children. What was the fault of Chandan Das, Govindu Das in this entire case? Also remember that they were just Chandan Das, in fact, in his last moments in the video, so we could hear that he could not even get water as well. Yes, investigation is underway. People are arrested. Their statements might have been taken. They are not in the condition to speak right now, but according to the procedure, seems like the statements have been taken from these family members and eyewitnesses as well, and they have nothing to say as of now, but we can also in fact just imagine that they are still in fear, and each and every one of them is just asking BSF camp for the central security forces to be deployed here in the area, so as to that they could feel safe. And once again, what we are getting to know is that the monitoring by drone is also being done by the cops here, because investigation is in this entire case. And you see what we'll also keep on walking and show you the visuals, so as to how this entire area was vandalized. And also one more thing important to note is that the accused, that we were saying that outsiders might have come, or some TMC is alleging that someone from Bangladesh have come over here, but we'll try to show you the visuals, and in fact you can read it in Bengali, so as to what's written over here just in front of the shop, which is here, and the police has pasted notice over here. And what I could just read in English, but here you can show the visuals, and for the viewers you can read it out. What's written over here, 15th of April and 17th of April is what I can just read. Over to you.
Okay. So this is a poster that is being shown by Tetri. This is the police's notice that is put there. There is also an appeal for calm. We will try, because it's not as clear as we can see on our screens, but we will break down those details. Tetri, continue being with us, continue showing us what's happening on ground zero, how many families have returned, because even in Malda, there are those who've taken refuge in that school. They are seeking justice. You filed reports from there as well today. There is a family that is demanding only a BSF camp can ensure their protection. The theory about outsiders being involved has been countered by the Bengal police on its own, and now it is the NCW which is on ground. The NCW too will prepare its report.